Hello, this is Shakil Ahmed. In this video, we will discuss about comparison of different methods of measurement. For example, we have different raters, or we are just finding we have two tests uh, that measure certain type of, for example, cholesterol level in patients, or we are measuring different blood related markers using two different methods. So we want to compare whether the two methods are providing the same result. They have uh, certain agreements or not. For example, uh, you asked two judges to just score uh, for 10 different students and on their writing. So different judges are different. Experts will just score according to their judgment and according to their evaluation, and we just need to check whether the two scoring uh, agrees agree or not using the Bland-Altman plot. So Bland-Altman plot is just a type of uh, control limits in quality control. If you already know about quality control, we have two limits. That is, we have mean difference in the center, and we have the an upper limit and lower limit. If the points, basically the differences between the two scores, lies within these two limits and there is no pattern in the differences, then we can say that the two scorings uh, uh, or the two raters have same agreement, or they are agreeing with each other, or the two methods are marrying uh, in same manner. There is no specific pattern or there is no specific biasness in one method or in other method. So let's check. We need to install the you don't need to install the Blender package, although you can install the ggplot, and I will prefer this Bland-Altman LEH library. We can use this library. And then we have data on method 1 and data on method 2. The two data were generated using the normal distribution with mean 115, and the second was just method 1 plus a random error, which consists of mean 0 and variance standard deviation 5. So we just apply the Bland-Altman plot to check whether there is an agreement between the two methods or not. So we already called the library and we have already called the two variables, two measurements, and we can just apply Bland-Altman plot, method 1 and method 2. You can see this is the Bland-Altman plot, which consists of three lines, and on the x-axis we have the uh, mean of the two scorings, and on y-axis we have the difference of the two scorings, and we are plotting basically these two quantities on just as a scatter plot. And if the points are close to the center line is 0, means this is basically the mean difference between the two scores, that is 0. And if the points uh, plot close to the center line, we say that the two methods agree with each other. They are measuring almost the same quantity. So uh, we can see there is no systematic pattern in these plots in these dots. So we can say that the two methods agree with each other. And we can also find the Bland-Altman's statistics that consist of these values. We have the uh, we can find the minimum difference and maximum difference and the mean difference and the two limits, and we can just assess. We can also find a 95% confidence interval. So these are the we have 30 observations, and uh, lower limit is -8, that is here, and the upper limit is 9.2, that is here, and the three lines are the lower limit, the mean difference, and the upper limit. The mean difference is just slightly upper than higher than the zero, and we have confidence interval for these three values, for this value, for this value, for this value. These are the confidence intervals, and the uh, we have already set the 2 sigma limit to 1.96, and the critical difference is 9.026. This is the critical difference from uh, 0, from this value basically. So uh, we can say that there is an agreement between the two methods, as these points are showing no pattern and these are plotting close to these values. Although one point is plotted here and one point is plotted here, these are basically showing an indication of disagreement. So that's all about the agreement plot, that is called Bland-Altman plot, that is used for paired data. Basically, we are measuring same thing using different methods, and we are checking whether the two methods are providing the same results or not. So that's all about this. Thank you.